The Delhi police has registered an FIR against farmers who've been sitting at the traffic light of the Singhu border flouting COVID-19 norms. On the 29th of November, farmers forcibly entered the border from Delhi and sat at the red light of the Singhu border, and since then they've been blocking the road. This is what has been said in the FIR. The police has filed a case against farmers for not following social distancing under the Pandemic Act and other such sections. An FIR has been lodged at the Alipur police station on the 7th of December. Ghazali joins us with the very latest. Ghazali, an FIR has been filed as far as the Delhi police is concerned. Meanwhile, what we are learning is that farmers are undeterred. It's the 16th day of the farmer agitation and protests continue.
Yes, certainly, because we have seen that earlier also, that how Haryana police booked the farmers when they crossed Haryana and entered or moved towards Delhi. So once they left many locations in Haryana, later after crossing through Haryana, a day or two later, the Haryana police registered an FIR. Now this is exactly has happened in Delhi as well. Like, they have been sitting there for the last 15-16 days, and today the FIR has been filed. It mentions that how on 29th, despite police calling the farmers not to break the barricades and all, they started gathering over there. So the FIR mentions the exact day of the incident, that is 29th of November. So it's almost after more than 10-12 days that this FIR has been registered, and it also shows that the government is going back and forth on its own commitment. They're calling farmers for talks. They're saying that we are open for talks, and on the other hand, they're also registering cases against them. So the unions have not yet responded about it because they have not got hold of the copy of the FIR. They don't know who else has been named there, or it is just against unidentified people who gathered at the border. Even we have not heard from the police that who all has been named in the FIR. But it certainly, we will see some reaction from the farm unions who have been sitting or leading this protest and agitation there, because from the government and from the unions, both the sides are trying to avoid any confrontation and go for talks. But now, since it has only led to a deadlock for the last couple of days, the farmers have also intensified their agitation, saying that they will lead their protest against corporates, or they'll block highways and rail and road networks. And in between, we have seen that how Delhi police have registered this FIR. So even the unions are clueless that where this is going, how it will resolve, or whether government will repeal the laws, though the government has clearly said that they won't go back to or repeal these laws. So certainly it will agitate the farmers when they get to know that many FIRs, even in Haryana or in today's FIR in Delhi, have been registered. So it is certainly going to disappoint or upset them about the role of the government here.
All right, and this coming in, close on the heels of the farmers, I beg your pardon, in fact, intensifying their protest. Like Ghazali has been explaining, there has been no sort of headway that has been made. The stalemate between the farmer unions and the government continues. Appreciate you, Ghazali, for joining us with the very latest. We'll continue to track the protest very closely.